Of course, it was absolutely a rainy day, and the sky was completely covered with the black clouds. Still, the land of Sundargarh was not deprived of the light. The light of God, the power of all, the supreme authority, the sun was blinking his eyes in between the clouds. And our mobile veterinary unit team was heading towards the camp. Hello everyone, this is Dr. Lipika Priyadarshini, host of your today's video. Welcome you all to this video clip. The District Veterinary Hospital Sundargarh is presenting you today a short documentary video on the bovine infertility camp. The natural beauty of Sundargarh is really so pretty. Sundargarh, the one of the major district of West Orissa, is located in the bank of Eve River. Along with the iron ore, Sundargarh also occupies a leading position in bovine population too. At present, Fisheries and Animal Resources Development Department Government of Odisha are now streaming different activities, plans and programs in every part of the state. Bovine infertility camp is one of the most unique and popular towards the artificial insemination and to keep our the people and reach the service to the remote area and all reachable places of the state and to make it more people oriented is the main focus of this program. Caring of the mother cow during the pregnancy and before the pregnancy is absolutely necessary. Sign, symptom, control, treatment, food are the basic measure need to be keep more focused during the time of our pregnancy. And this knowledge should be gathered by the common people and aware of it. We conducted different camps under this program in different places of Sundargarh district headquarters like Kundukela, Peduapadi, Kinjirima and Charmal. In this program, the Deputy Director of Sundargarh, Dr. Swarup Ranjan Mahapatra, was present with us. He was guiding and leading this camp. Several questions like delayed puberty in cattle and buffalo, delayed heat in cattle, nutrient deficiency, imbalance, cause of infertility in cattle, proper timing of artificial insemination, repeat breeding, like several questions were asked by the people, and we gave the right answer to their questions. Under the leadership and guidance of Deputy Director Sundargarh Dr. Swarup Ranjan Mahapatra, we treated a number of animals in the camp. We examined and we did the pregnancy test and also we examined the genital tract status of the pregnant cow, distribute the medicine and we advise the people to take a proper management during their pregnancy, mix the fodder and the concentrate in a fixed equal ration or quantity, provide mineral mixture and do the vaccination and artificial insemination in time to time, and also consult the doctors when they need and in contact with the local livestock inspector. We also explained them about the major plans, scheme, programs of our department. And being doing and following all these activities from morning to till 8, it was already unknown. And we returned back to our workplace. Now our mobile veterinary unit team was heading towards the office. On the way we returned back, we met the real beauty of Sundargarh again, a beautiful pond with full of lotus flowers. Happiness is the smell of fresh hay and sound of cow mooing. Cow are the Zen master. They teach us to slow down, be patient, and appreciate the simple things in life. A cow is like a mother, gentle, nurturing, and always there for you. May she be the ever great mother of all mankind ever on this earth. Do like, do share, and stay tuned with us for the next video. I hope you are having a great day.